In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared checklist with Google Keep. This process is simple and effective, making it easy for you to collaborate with others and keep your tasks organized. To get started, first navigate to the Google Apps section. You can find this by clicking on the grid icon in the upper right corner of your Google homepage. Once there, scroll down until you see the Google Keep icon. It's typically represented by a light bulb icon. Click on that to open Google Keep. If you haven't used Keep before, you'll find it's a versatile tool for notes, lists, and much more. After opening Google Keep, you'll want to create a new note or checklist. Look for the Take a Note section near the top of the page. As you click in this area, a new note window will pop up. Here, you have the option to either write a note or set up a checklist. For our purposes, let's create a checklist. To do this, click on the three vertical dots which represent the More menu and then select Show Checkboxes. This will convert your note into a checklist where you can list your tasks with checkboxes for easier tracking and management. Next, you'll want to make it a shared checklist. To do this, click on the collaborator icon, which is depicted by a silhouette of a person with a plus sign next to it. This feature allows you to share your checklist with others, facilitating collaboration and keeping everyone in the loop. When you click on Collaborator, a window will pop up where you can add collaborators by entering their email addresses. Type in the email addresses of those you want to share the checklist with, and once you're satisfied with your choices, click Save. This will send an invitation link to the emails you've entered, granting them access to your checklist. Now, with your checklist made and shared, you might want to ensure it remains easily accessible. To do this, simply pin the note. Find the pin icon at the top of your note and click on it, thus ensuring that your checklist stays at the top of your notes list for quick access whenever needed. Lastly, once everything is set up, you can click Close to exit the note editor. And there you have it, a fully functional shared checklist ready for you and your collaborators to use. This tool is perfect for work projects, event planning, or any situation where managing tasks with others is key. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide